Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up post-dated checks in Zoho Books. This feature is incredibly useful for managing future payments and keeping track of checks that haven't been cashed yet, giving you better control over your cash flow and financial planning. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to add this post-dated check functionality. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on this icon to access all the configuration options for your Zoho Books account. This is where you'll find the tools needed to extend your account's capabilities. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you find a section labeled Extension and Developer Data. Under this section, look for Integration and Marketplace. This is the hub where you can discover and add various tools and extensions to enhance your Zoho Books experience. Click on Marketplace to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Zoho Books Marketplace page, which houses numerous applications and integrations designed to expand your accounting capabilities. On the right side of this page, locate the search bar. This search function will help you quickly find the specific extension you need. Type post-dated into the search bar. The result labeled post-dated checks for Zoho Books should appear in your search results. Click on it to view more details. This will take you to the post-dated checks overview page. Here, it's important to take a moment to review the app's functions and features to ensure it meets your business needs. Scroll through the information provided, paying attention to the app category, which tells you what type of functionality it adds. Also review the pricing details carefully to understand any costs involved, and check the compatible Zoho plans to confirm that your current subscription supports this extension. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with what the app offers, you have the option to try it out before fully committing. Look for the Start Trial button on the page and click on it. This will add the post-dated checks feature to your Zoho Books account, allowing you to test its functionality and see how it improves your check management workflow. And that's it. You've successfully set up post-dated checks in Zoho Books, giving you a more efficient way to track future payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.